breakfast already, everyone? Okay, it's good. Are your mommies there or daddies? Okay, let's just review our lesson. When you were in grade 1, we discussed about measuring mass and volume. Okay, let's just follow the schedule for today. So we will start with your science. Your mommies, please assist your children. Get your books. Okay, the classroom science textbook. Measuring mass and volume. When you were in grade 1, remember, we had an experiment when we measured some objects, some solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, focus on the solid first. When we measure solid, how do we measure it? We measure its mass. Okay, its mass. And in measuring the mass, we use the units grams or kilogram. Remember? Mass is measured in grams and kilograms. So we have measured it using different kinds of measuring tools. Now I will show you just to refresh your memory. This one, right? Last year, here inside the classroom, we used this one. Okay, what do we call this? Again, beam balance. Very good. This is a beam balance. Beam balance is a kind of measuring tool that measures by means of balancing. That's why we have two times on both sides. Okay, to compare. Okay, the measuring the known mass, we use the known mass like a solid metal or solid wood, which indicates how heavy it is. Like this one is 5 grams. Okay, this one is 1 gram. Okay, so if for example we're gonna put an apple here, okay, or maybe we use something like this one. Okay, and we use the 1 gram. Oops, it's so heavy. So that means they're not equal. The 1 gram is heavier, so this is less than 1 gram. Okay. Now, the beam balance compares the mass of an object to the known mass. So these are the known mass. It indicates how heavy the measured object is. Okay. So there are different kinds of. Wait. Question. No, mommy, I'm not selling this one. How much? I forgot the price when I bought it in a bookstore. So I cannot remember how much for the price. Ano siyang price, mommy? Okay. So, no, mommy, no need to buy something like this. I'm just showing. But anyway, let's move on. No need to buy this one. No, this is just for teachers' visual aid. Okay. So, there are several measuring tools that we use to measure the grams and the kilograms. So it is measured using a balance. There are different kinds of balances, such as the beam balance, electronic balance, and the usual weighing scale. It is also very useful. Remember when you were here in the classroom, because sometimes I measure your weight, I measure how heavy you are, because we're solid, we are all solid. So we measure our weight, our mass, by means of knowing how heavy we are, no? Remember the measuring tool that we use? It is a, what do you call this? A balance? Weighing scale. Yes, I'll show you later. Wait, I'll get it. Here it is. See, remember? Yes. Leran, remember? Jed, I used to let you step on this. Right? Jana, Isabel, this is a weighing scale. When you step on this, the numbers move and it indicates how heavy you are. The number that shows here could be in, there's two kinds of measuring unit, the kilograms and the pounds. Okay? There you go. Mine. Bakit po kayo nagmamine? Mami? Nagaligaw yata. Hindi po to selling, hindi po online selling. This is a class for grade 2. We're having a online discussion po. No. I'm Teacher Lory po. Teacher Lory, the teacher of grade 2, Champaka. Hindi po to online selling. This is just my visual aid. Okay, this is weight scale. Stop na po, ibang ano po, ibang online po. This classroom online, selling online po. Yes, okay. Okay, how much? Hindi ko na po alam kung magkano po nabili ko. Pero marami po to sa SM, tsaka sa ibang store, okay? Yeah. So another one that we have to measure the grams or measure the mass, in grams or ounce. Ito. This is a kitchen weighing scale that I have. I use this in baking kasi mas accurate siya kaysa dun sa cups when I use the cups in measuring the flour, the sugar, whenever I'm baking. I use this kasi mas accurate siya. Okay? This shows the grams on the other side, on the right side, and on the left side it shows the ounce. How much? Hindi ko na rin po alam po. Sorry ha. Hindi ko na rin matanap si Kumana to, but it's still working very well. May nagmamay pa po. Ay, hindi po ako pinibenta. Okay, focus po tayo. Focus. Okay. Ay, gutom na? Sino gutom na? Padadehen. Ay, dumidede pa. Wait ko na. Okay. Sige po. Tayo ito na lang. Balik na lang po. Pero laksan niyo po yung speaker para marinig yung kaya nasa kitchen kayo. Okay, so let's go. Gutom na rin yung iba. Start pa lang natin. Sige, break time. Okay, be back after 15 minutes. Okay, break time muna.